I want you to imagine yourself standing on a very beautiful sandy beach and you're watching the waves as they roll back and forth. At the first glance, the waves usually appear to be very calm and inviting. This is much like alcohol when you do it in moderation or occasionally, which can add some excitement in your life. After a while of riding small waves, that's drinking alcohol occasionally and in moderation, you find it exciting to venture into bigger waves, and that's increasing your alcohol use. The bigger waves provides you with an escape and a sense of thrill. In the same manner that alcohol offers a fleeting sense of relief and pleasure, temporarily numbing emotional pain and stress. But as the waves continues to crash into the shore, they become harder to manage. They start to pull you under, making it difficult to find a solid ground. In the same manner, alcohol use disorder can impair judgment, hinder decision-making abilities, and create a sense of being out of control. You may try to fight and resist the power of the waves and find yourself exhausted and overwhelmed, unable to break free. Similarly, attempting to manage alcohol use disorder without seeking help or treatment can lead to a cycle of failed attempts, guilt, and frustration. Without intervention, the waves can become dangerous, causing a loss of balance, disorientation, and potential harm. Similarly, alcohol use disorder can lead to severe physical and mental health consequences, strained relationships, and overall life disruption. Recognizing the need for assistance is very crucial. Just like a swimmer will signal for help when caught in a strong current, seeking support, therapy, and treatment can provide tools to navigate the challenges of alcohol use disorder. It's important to realize the progressive nature of alcohol use disorder and address the problem before it becomes overwhelming and potentially dangerous. Thank you for watching this video about alcohol use disorder, and please subscribe to my channel so that you can get a notification when I post an educational video about mental health disorders. And if you find it helpful and you feel like it can help somebody else, please share it with them as we learn together. I have also posted other videos about other mental health conditions, anxiety, depression, schizophrenia, bipolar disorder. You can as well go and watch those videos. Thank you.